State Materials Research Institute focuses on diversity in STEM by seeking to foster a safe environment of respect and inclusion for faculty, staff, students, and members of the science communities we serve. Diversity in STEM empowers success in material science. The Materials Research Institute organizes an annual fall event, Materials Day. The Diversity in STEM, a Materials and Strategies for Success workshop, was part of the Materials Day Grand Challenges event at Penn State University. The day leading up to Materials Day was devoted to this workshop on diversity in the STEM fields. With 100 attendees, including students, faculty, and staff, a sense of community could be felt through discussions that delved into both challenging and yet hopeful spaces. With an introduction by Dr. Marcus Whitehurst, Penn State's Vice Provost for Education Equality, followed by a riveting talk by National Science Foundation's Dr. Linda Sepocek titled My Life in Science. Attendees then shared their experiences at Penn State in lively roundtable discussions. The day was completed by a panel discussion and an opportunity for networking. Thanks to the organizers from the Materials Research Institute and the Center for Nanoscale Science, whose hard work made this event memorable. In 2020, Penn State became one of 19 universities to join the Aspire Alliance, a 3-year institutional change committed to developing inclusive faculty recruitment, hiring, and retention practices.